if I go to jail, I'm going to lose my job of 10 years.
Well, ma'am,
Your Honor, I would potentially request a report date so that she could make the necessary arrangements.
how much notice do you need to give to your employer, ma'am?
I'm sorry.
How much notice do you need to provide to your employer?
If I tell, if I can't, there's no way I could miss 5 days and keep my job.
You don't have any paid time off. You've been there for 10 years.
Yeah. I've had time off. I don't have 5 days to take.
All right, well, ma'am, let me just indicate this, okay? You were charged with retail fraud, and you were given an amended charge of attempt retail fraud, despite having 3 prior retail fraud convictions on your record. You received a very generous plea. This court indicated at the time of sentencing, in addition to some other conditions, incarceration, and we suspended that for a jail review. The court also indicated mandatory additional incarceration for any violation of probation. And here we are today on a violation of probation. You were put on notice, ma'am, that there's mandatory jail for any violation.
Well, I didn't think I would be violating having a card. I didn't think I would be violating. I didn't know. I figured if I had a card in Monroe, they told me when I got it here, and I know it's not the judge, it's not you, but that's what I was told, that I wouldn't be in any harm's way by smoking marijuana. I mean, I with all due respect, I don't really understand why I'm on a alcohol or drug anything for retail fraud.
Because that's one of the conditions this court placed. Given your history, because given your criminal history, given your substance use history, that is why.
I don't have a substance abuse history.
Ma'am, during your pre-sentence investigation, it was indicated that you had previously